Alright, so let's see what failed. A lot of plastic in there, that's not a good sign. So, there's a piece. Let's focus there for you. And this one. Yeah, that should be able to spin. This. Trying to get the focus here, I'm sorry. That should be a hex. That used to be a hex. And now it is anything but. Which is why the valve does this. Up and down and round and round. And it's even a little ovaled up there. This was a BavAuto unit. Didn't even last 19,000 miles before it just stripped out. Meanwhile, the original outer was fine at 190,000 miles when it was replaced by this piece of junk. So, buyer beware. Just placed an order for 2 genuine BMW units at $400 a piece. Just thereabout. But, do it once more. Engine's got a lot of life. I'm not going to die because of a little crappy plastic valve.